Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to enable or disable the 120Hz refresh rate on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. Now, in order to change the refresh rate, you just need to open up your settings, then choose display. Under display, tap on motion and smoothness. And then you have two options. You have the adaptive, which is the 120Hz refresh rate, and you have the standard, which is the 60Hz. So in order to activate the 120Hz refresh rate on your device, you just need to tap on the adaptive, which means the 120Hz refresh rate is going to be selected and it's going to be running. And that's basically how you can enable the 120Hz refresh rate. If you want to disable the 120Hz refresh rate, you just need to select the standard, which means that 60Hz refresh rate is going to be activated, which will help you out in order to save the battery life. And yo guys, this is the way through which you can turn on or off the 120Hz refresh rate on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.